If you do a lot of AI media work, then you might have run into the same challenge I have of knowing which services are worth paying for to get the pro versions. One of the solutions to get around this is to sign up to an aggregator site where you pay a certain fee and you get credits that you can put towards lots of different models. That way, as different models become better over time, rather than having to jump back and forth between service providers, you can access them all in one spot. It's also particularly handy if you have a workflow where maybe you're going to produce an image, the image might get turned into a video, you might want some music, putting everything all together and having that workflow in one spot is really helpful as well. So today we're going to be looking at Zovoro AI. I'll put a link to their website in the video description. We've also got a coupon code, Linden05, for 5% off. So let's have a look here. And really nice basic interface. We can see on the left-hand side that we've got chat, image to video, and AI music. So it's aggregating a number of different services. And then for each of those, a number of different providers all put together. If we click on the credits, we can see that there's different credits for chat, image, video, and music. Music currently only has the one model, but we can see a whole lot of different models for those other ones. So back in the home, we can see that we've got the drop down there, lots and lots of different chat models that we can choose from. We can drop in a prompt and we can get it to generate. It's also got voice command there as well. So maybe I was producing some education materials for kids. We've got an explanation here. I've got brain access for a smart 10-year-old. Got my chat. And so maybe I now need an image to go with that. And again, images, lots of different options in there that we can go with. We'll put in a description of an image. We've got our aspect ratios and so on. Maybe we'll pick something a little bit fancier. So we've produced our brain made out of fruits and vegetables. Looking pretty good actually for a first attempt. And I'm going to jump past video. We'll come back to video. We're going to go to image to video. So let's drop this in here. We'll click choose file. So I'm going to ask it to generate a short video where it is going to take that image that we produced and it's going to give us a little rotation of it. So it's going to animate it as a rotation. Okay, so let's see how it did. And didn't do too bad. It only rotated partway around. So we could have either increased the duration of our video or we could have been more explicit in the instructions that we wanted a full 360-degree rotation. Always really important any time that we are giving any AI prompting that we are absolutely as specific as we possibly can be. Okay, so now on to the video section. And so something to note, we can see here, if I select Sora 2 Pro, it's going to take 30 credits to make this video. If I select C Dance, it's only going to take 7. So depending on what we're wanting to produce, the level of accuracy we need. So AI production of video normally takes a little while. I've definitely noticed no additional lag by using the aggregator site rather than the native site. And so here we've got the muscle, the sparks. Did have some sound effects attached to it. I don't know if you picked those up or not. I suspect I don't have the system sound connected to my video at the moment. Okay, so I put in the same prompt with Sora, and we can see we get something a wee bit more dramatic. It's got some slightly more dramatic music attached to it as well. So it's the kind of thing where sometimes it's also nice to be able to mix and match with models and see what is producing exactly what you want. It may help also guide future purchases of a particular subscription to a particular model as well. So last up, we'll test the AI music generator. And we just want something that's kind of chill for the background of the content that we're producing. So lo-fi hip-hop beat, jazz influences. And we've just got the choice of the two models here. We'll hit generate music. Okay, so hopefully we have the recording connected to the system music. We can download as an MP3 with everything here. We've got the option to download the content. There is our lo-fi hip-hop beat with jazz influences. We could have maybe been more specific, asked for something slightly different, told it what instruments we wanted, things like that. But just as a demo, I think that was pretty reasonable. So this has been Zovoro AI. We've got a link to it in the video description. Also Linden05 code, get you 5% off if you do go for one of the paid plans. And we can see that the different plans, they've got estimates of how much usage you'll be able to get. And you can go monthly or yearly. Thanks for watching. I'll be back real soon with more videos on AI, stats, data, and random stuff.